Today I'm talking about the Green Dot Platinum Secured Credit Card. I've never talked about this credit card before, but for me, I want to bring out as many possible credit building offers that you guys can consider when you need to rebuild your credit, or if you have no credit, to build your credit. And I always pick low fee options or no fee options. So today's credit card, the Green Dot Platinum Secured Credit Card, is a low fee secured credit card. It's a really good option to rebuild your credit with. The approval is fairly easy. Most people will get approved for this card. The only thing that really holds anyone back is whether they didn't properly fill out the information in their application. Do not fill your application out correctly, you can get denied that way, or there are some income requirements, so you need to have some source of income coming in. If you can meet those requirements, basically everyone gets approved for this offer, so that's why I'm talking about it today. And I have a viewer to thank for that, because he asked me to review a couple of the credit cards he had that helped him build his credit, and this was one of them, and this was the card offer that I liked the best, so I'm talking about this one today. Another thing that's really important to you guys is that you do not like hard credit inquiries. This one is very unique. It does not have a hard credit inquiry when you apply for this card. So this is a really good opportunity to, when you're building credit, to have something that doesn't have a hard credit inquiry. You're not going to get knocked down a few points for applying for this offer like you do with some other secured credit cards discovered. So what I also like about this card is most people have a bank account, but not all people have a bank account. And if you don't have a bank account, it's not a problem. A lot of people now are using prepaid cards because they simply don't have bank accounts. And there is even a Green Dot prepaid card. And I'm really advising against getting a prepaid card when you can get a card like this where you don't even need to have a bank account. And it's going to cost you the same amount, more or less, in fees, but the difference is going to be that with a prepaid card, you're not building credit, and with this one, you will be building credit. So during the course of having this card, you're going to build your credit along the way, and that can help you down the road. You never know if later you have other plans for yourself. Maybe you want a new car, or long term you want a home. So just building that credit in some way is going to help you. So this year I did a lot of videos on secured credit cards. And if you're not sure which one is going to fit your life situation the best, check out the playlist. I'm leaving a link for it in the description of this video. That way you can take a look at the different secured credit cards, weigh out the benefits and the drawbacks before you make your decision on which one to apply for. Okay, so I said that this is a low rate secured card. Here is the interest rate and fee chart for the Green Dot Platinum Secured Card. Now the interest rate on this card isn't too bad considering this is a secured credit card, but it is a little on the higher side. So with any of these credit rebuilding credit card offers, you're always going to want to pay your balance in full every month, and you don't have to worry about that interest rate. It's not going to surprise you that the Green Dot Platinum Secured Credit Card does not offer balance transfers. This is just a card that you're going to use to help build your credit. You're not going to be looking at this as a balance transfer credit card. This is also not a card you're really going to be looking at for travel, because there is a fee, a 3% foreign transaction fee for transactions outside of US dollars. On my channel, CreditFast, I talk about different credit cards. I review them just like I am today. If you're finding value in this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see my newest upcoming videos, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification and you will be notified. Most people have bank accounts, and that is the best case scenario in making your payments with this account, because if you use your bank account, if you link that up with Green Dot, then you can avoid payment fees. But if you have no other options, you still are able to make payments at over 100,000 locations. They do charge a $4.95 service fee, but this is a way that a person without a bank account can have a credit card and start building their credit. Okay, so one of the questions you may have, what is the easiest way to make your deposit on the Green Dot secured card? And the easiest, fastest way is to go to a retail location where your account is immediately loaded. But you do have options to do that with a check, and it is going to be a slower process. Keep in mind, if you go into a retail location, just like with making a payment, you will also get charged that $4.95 fee in order to make that deposit. But like I said before, that's going to be an immediate deposit to your account. But if you want to do it the slower way, you have the option of either sending a check or a money order. So that goes on to my next point of, if you don't have a bank account, you can also make your payments by mail. And here's the information over here. You just simply need to send a money order. And if you do have a checking account, you can send checks through the mail as well. So this is not strictly going online or to a retail location. You can mail in your payments. Also, if you want to increase your security deposit so that you have a larger credit line, you are able to do that. Keep in mind, once you apply for the Green Dot secured card, you have 60 days to fund it. If you go past 60 days, you are going to need to reapply. Customer service is okay, but it is a smaller bank. You're not going to get that same type of customer service you're going to get with the larger banks. Okay, so if you have the Green Dot Platinum secured credit card, let us know what you think about it. Do you like it? Do you wish you never got it? Did you get denied for it? These are things that the viewers right here would like to know. So if you have a good or a bad experience, let everyone know below. I started this video by saying this is a low fee secured card, and it is a low fee secured card. There is a $39 annual fee, which isn't so bad for this kind of secured card, and you're going to be required to put down a $200 deposit. This security deposit will give you a $200 line of credit. If you're now asking whether you're going to or when you're going to get this security deposit, they will refund it when you close your account. So you'll have a $200 line of credit, and every year you have this card, you will be charged a $39 annual fee. Now, it would be interesting to know whether or not you can have that annual fee removed after the first year. Going on the second year, if you have had this card and you are able to have the annual fee removed, let us know in the comments section if that's possible or not. But otherwise, this secured credit card has a lower amount of fees than many others out there. So it's going to be pretty much in the middle of the pack. There are other secured credit cards like the Discover It secured card and the Capital One secured card where there are no annual fees, but this one has it. And if you are in a situation where your credit score is very low when you're starting out, this is considered to be a low fee option for you. One reason I like this card, and it's very familiar to me, is that I see a lot of similarities with the OpenSky Visa and the Green Dot Platinum secured credit card. They pretty much are similar in a lot of ways. The annual fee is low, the security deposit is low. They approve nearly everyone as long as you fill out the application and you have some kind of income. This type of card, they're going to approve you. They also do not do hard credit inquiries. So these two cards are very competitive, and that's why I do like Green Dot, because it really reminds me of OpenSky, a credit card I've talked about many times. If you're thinking of considering getting the OpenSky Visa card, I have done a video on that, and I'll link it in the description below. And you can decide which one you might like better. But from what I can see, in many instances, this is nearly the same type of secured credit card. It's going to be geared for people that have situations where they have really low credit scores, and these are about the lowest cost options for individuals in this type of situation. These cards, both of them, they do not graduate, so they will give you the security deposit back, but you get that back when you cancel your account. If you have both the OpenSky Visa and the Green Dot Platinum Secured Credit Card, tell us about how they are and if there is any key differences to these two offers. But as far as I've seen with the research I've done, they're very, very similar. So if OpenSky has been working for you, or Green Dot has been working for you, you might want to decide on trying to get the other card as a line of credit to help you build up your credit score. On my channel, CreditFast, I talk about different credit cards. I review them just like I am today. If you're finding value in this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see my newest upcoming videos, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification and you will be notified. And I'll see you next time.